Assalamualaikum. In this video we will learn how we can control our own character only. So in the case you can see that when we move, all the character moves throughout the world and we are not controlling our own character. So we are controlling all the characters. So for that purpose we will go to weapon changer, and you can see that in the start function we have implementing this line of code, and where we have said that if this character is R is mine, then we will run these line of codes. And in the other case we will say that else, that if this character is not ours, then what will happen? Then we will say that this dot game object dot get component, we will get the player movement, player controller, and then we will say dot enable equal to false. So if we are not us, so if that is other character, then we are not controlling the player controller. Okay, so save it, and now we can test it out and hopefully it should work. So let's build our game so that we can test other instances as well. So let's go to build, select folder. We already have built, so we will build our game in the same folder. So our right. Okay, so now we have created our build, so let's play the game, and we will be in the lobby. And yeah, here is our character, and we can control our character like this. That's great. And now let's open the build, and we can just double click on the build. Okay, and here is our second character, and you can see that we can only control our own character, other character is still there. Okay, and we are controlling our own character. Yeah, that's great, and this is successful. And if we go to the Unity, you can see that we can control this character only. So yeah, that's great. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.